Hi everyone, it's finally International Asteroid Day. Today we have members of our incredible Terp Raptor team talking about the mission and their roles in it. Check it out!
My name is Elena, and I'm a rising sophomore studying aerospace engineering at the University of Maryland. For Terp Raptor, I'm the lead project manager.
Hey everyone, my name is Yash. I'm a rising sophomore finance major. I'm the major gifts officer here at Terp Raptor.
Hi, my name is Autrey. I am a second year grad student at the University of Maryland studying aerospace engineering, and I'm currently the structures team lead.
My name is Loann Daeninckx. I fulfill the role of crowdfunding officer. I'm a senior supply chain management major.
This project is basically creating a 12U CubeSat the size like a microwave that's going to be taking images of Apophis. The most difficult part of the mission is things we cannot control.
And so the fact that our very first mission is something so ambitious that we're going beyond Earth to interplanetary space and then all the way to an asteroid, that is amazing and that is huge.
Trying to deal with like parts coming in, making sure that everything kind of stays on track.
And I think it's like an incredible opportunity to have something from so far away come to us.
I would probably be like naming things after myself, so be cool.
First thing I would do is probably just like eat something on there. I'd be pretty hungry after the long flight. Get some Subway, eat it on the asteroid, and call it a day.
I think I'm for Team Deflect.
Everyone knows that asteroids are alien eggs. If you blow it up, there's a chance the alien can escape. And you got like a bigger problem.
I'm team blow it up all the way.
I remember I watched Star Wars when I was little and they just pressed a button and blew up a planet. We should do that for asteroids too. After joining Terp Raptor, I realized that I really love space. So now I want to do spacecraft engineering. And specifically, it's also taught me a lot about the systems engineering process. And I find that super interesting.
Yeah, so the reason why I joined Terp Raptor was because I just thought it'd be a really cool opportunity to not only work on a project I found interesting, but also to develop myself and get to expose myself to like a completely new field of like business.
I think we're going to get up there and there's going to be something that we just didn't even consider. Happy Asteroid Day!
Day!